Hey everybody, I'm back again with another quick review, this time on these butt connectors. We bought these, or I should say I bought these to use on our landscaping project, which just so happened to be lighting for our landscaping. So I needed some sort of connector to connect wire pieces together that were going to go down in the ground. So that's why I went with these. The details on the product, you can see they're like water resistant, waterproof. So I wanted something that would protect the cable connections in our stone, down in the dirt and everything else. So these have fit the bill. Really like them, can't complain. When I was installing everything, I had no issues at all. This is literally how big they are. Just to get an idea with the fingertips. This is a 16 to 14, I should say 14 to 16 gauge butt connector. So you stick your wire in there, they touch each other, crimp them down, you heat it up with a lighter or whatever you want to use, and then just kind of shrinks down over the outside of the wire. Make sure that when you strip your wire, you only have the copper piece within the metal in there. So make sure like the covering of your wire is up to that point of the metal within the connector. So easy to use, no complaints. They've been in our landscaping for over a year now and they've held up well. So would buy again. If you're looking to buy, I would recommend. And if you're on the fence, hopefully this video has helped you out. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you.